Be honest with yourself. Do you know your numbers in business? Guys, we need to know our numbers, irrespective of the size of the company. Whether you're doing 100 grand or 20 million, you must know your numbers in business. I'm going to try and break it down for you to make it really, really simple, right? So first and foremost, you've got turnover. It's the money that goes into your bank. After that, we've got what you call cost of sale. Now, these only apply when you actually do a job. So if you don't have any work on, you don't have to worry about cost of sale. The cost of sale is things like materials and labour and machinery and all that stuff. After that, you've got overheads. Now, overheads apply irrespective of whether or not you're working. Things like insurances and accountancies and van payments and that kind of thing, they have to be paid. Yeah, so that applies as well. If you have guys on the books, then obviously they have to be paid as well. Right, so technically that's an overhead as well. You could argue it's a cost of sale. 6, 7, as my daughter says. And then once you've got your turnover, minus cost of sale, minus overhead, you're then left with your net profit. Now, somewhere in that is your gross profit, but if you don't know your net profit, don't worry about gross profit for now. Let's say you make 50 grand net profit in the year. You've got 25% corporation tax to pay off that. So that then leaves you £37,500. Once you put that into your back pocket, you're then charged personal tax on that 37.5 grand. So the first 12.5 you get tax free, so there's no tax to pay on that, but there's still 25 grand left. And depending on your tax rate, if you have other sources of income, will depend on what rate of tax that gets taxed at.